The government has ordered the closure of a Zanu PF party office turned nightclub located in Harare's Borodale area following complaints of noise pollution by local residents. Sanavenda mashoko buda panguva inachoonekwa kunzi Zanu PF turns party office into illegal nightclub. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Dibida mna mobile informations. Party sources said Zanu PF Harare provincial chairperson Woodus Masimuriamboa is attracted brickbats from fellow party members following accusations that he allowed the building of tuck shops at a nightclub at party offices for private business. Masimuriamboa is already in the eye of a storm after he received a donation of vehicles for the provincial executive from fuel and mining mogul Sadc without allegedly following party procedure. Borodale Residents and Ratepayers Association filed a letter of complaint over noise pollution emanating from Zanu PF offices tent nightclub at number 2 along Campbell Road. The nightclub in question was allegedly operating illegally as it had not been approved by the Harare City Council. It also emerged that Masimuriamboa was at loggerheads with other party officials over the nightclub as they questioned who was pocketing revenue from the business. What we have been complaining about has been exposed in another way, a party insider say. The office of the president and cabinet has since ordered the closure of Zone's Gardens nightclub. Tension is embroidering with the ruling party Zanu PF, kuchionekwa pana Woodus Masimuriamboa, but at the center of the chaos. Panapa now here this nightclub, then now we are to carry the receiver kunana kuda posta gwere, in all the reports Zavabo Motera. I mean, Shapira Moshe Kana Shukanaka. The comment section and Mutizamafuro in what we do on Serpechit. So, subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.